I'm Andrew Phillips. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you quick and easy how you can, right here, how you can seal any seams in your insulation batt. You don't want to leave it open like we have here, ripped down the middle. And I'm going to show you quick and easy how we can put that together. So let's go ahead and get started. If we get a close up here, you can see how it's split right down here. You don't want it like that. You obviously want it to be nice and sealed as these other ones are right there. But this one here, we have an opening here down the middle. You don't want to leave it like that, right? So you want to have this nice and sealed up and snug like that. So let me show you what we're going to use. We're actually going to use an HVAC type of aluminum tape, but I'll get a close up and show you, and then we'll go ahead and put that on there and wrap up this video. But as you can see here, I've got a lot of stuff going on here. We have baffle on there and insulation. If you want to see my other videos where I talk about insulation and rock wool versus fiberglass, installing baffle, cathedral ceilings, all that, I'll have links down in the description of this video where you can check those out as well. But let's head over and I'll show you the tape we're going to be using. This is what I have here. This is called Reflectix. It's a foil tape. You can pick this up Home Depot, Lowe's, online, things like that. But you want this aluminum type of tape. You don't want to just be using any kind of tape. This HVAC type aluminum tape works the best. So let's open this up and we'll tape it up and then wrap up this video. I cut out the piece that we needed. So you want to measure that out and cut it. It does have a paper backer that we're going to have to peel off. So I'm going to peel this off right here. And you don't want to peel the whole thing off. You want to almost treat it like if you're applying vinyl, where you just peel a little bit and then we work it off. So we'll bring it here. We're going to put this all together in here, make it nice and snug. So the paper right there catches on. And then I'm going to peel this back. We're going to go all the way back in here and seal it, and I'll get a close-up. We patched it right here, and then we have the electric, and then going down, let me clear that up. You can see how it's all taped, that seam all the way down. That way it's nice and snug, and this tape is really good because it's got a really good adhesive on it, so it sticks really good, and it's a little bit thicker than like a regular tape. It's what they use on like HVAC things as well. But let me pull further back so you can see it. Here's a better shot of it. You can see the ones next to it there. This one's nice and snug. We saw at first it was all open and falling down, but real quick and easy, that's how you do it. And let's get a side shot. Okay, well that wraps up this quick video on how to pretty much tape any openings or any seams on insulation batt. As mentioned already, this stuff here, just foil tape. You can get this anywhere, hardware stores, Home Depot, Lowe's, Ace, places like that. It's inexpensive. It's like $5 for this right here. But this is what you want. You want this HVAC tape. This is what works best. You don't want to just be using regular masking tape. It's not going to adhere to the facing here on the insulation as well. This holds it up really good until you can drywall it, things like that. But anyway, that wraps up this video. I hope that this was informative for you, helps you out if you're having any issues where you're trying to patch any seams in your insulation. Please send me any questions and comments. I would love to hear from you. As always, I appreciate all the support, so please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check out the other videos down in the description if you want to see more about insulating. I'll see you next time.